guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have If I Edit You by Fletcher. So for this song we don't have any capo, we just have 3 chords to learn and 1 chord progression which goes throughout the whole song. I'm just going to show you 2 strumming patterns. If you want you can just apply one and go with the whole song. So let's have a look at the structure. We start with the verse, then we have a pre-chorus, then you have the chorus. Then I got another verse, another pre-chorus, another chorus, then I have the bridge, and after the bridge I got the last chorus. So let's have a look at the chords first. First chord is the B minor, which is mute 2 4 4 3 2. You can obviously make this chord more easy playing like this. If you struggle a lot playing the bar chords, feel free to drop a comment down below. D major is the next chord, which is mute mute open second third second. And the next chord is a G, which is 3 2 open open 3. You can play 3 2 open open 3 3, or you can even play 3 2 open 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 3. It's the same thing. Now the chord progression for the whole song will be a B minor, D major, G major, again a G major, B minor, D major, G, G, let's repeat, that's it. So with that being said, let's hop into the strumming pattern of the song. Now let's get started with the verse and the pre-chorus. I like to do the strumming pattern for the verse and pre-chorus especially. So the strumming pattern is, it's very simple. I do down, then I do a up, then I just keep my hand on the string to get the sound of that up stroke muted. So I go down, up, then I do a down. So down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, mute, down. So I got, so very simple, down, up, keep your hand, down. So down, up, keep your hand, down. And I repeat this twice for each chord. So which means B minor, it goes twice. One more time. D major twice. G major 4 times because this actually G major is twice. So one more time. That's basically for the intro and for the verse. For the verse and the pre-chorus. So let's play that. 1 2 3 4. I guarantee you guys that just a little bit of practice you can actually master the strumming pattern, and it sounds too decent. So now let's move on to the chorus. The strumming pattern is indeed very easy for the chorus. So same chord progression, exact same thing I told you before, but the strumming pattern will be 8 downstroke on each chord. So 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. So we got 8 downstroke on each chord. All 8 are down, all 8 are actually equal. So 8 on B minor, 8 on D major, and 16 on G, because G and G. So we got 2 G. So let's try that out. 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. You notice when I actually change into the next chord, I do a down up. I do a up, like when I down 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 down. So it's a very fast process, but you can actually do that to make your strumming pattern more spicy. Basically that's everything, and we have the bridge now. And for the bridge, again same chord progression, and you can just do 1 down on each chord. 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1. And that's almost everything you need for this song. So if this helps you out, make sure to drop me one of these subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. So make sure you just have a little bit strength, do a little bit effort in pressing that button, and make sure to hit that bell icon also. Stay tuned, because I'm actually very much regular with the guitar tutorials, making them the most accurate, everything with tap out there, if you compare to other YouTubers. So that's what I want to say, and I'll see you guys back in the next video. Till then, bye.